If you've ever tried to install fronts on cabinet drawers, you know it can be hard to get everything lined up and keep it there while you drive mounting screws. You could try double-sided tape, but adjustments can be hard to make. Or you could tack it in place with brad nails through the drawer front, but that leaves you with nail holes marring your finished surface. Rockler's drawer front installation clamps provide a better solution. These steel clamps attach to the drawer box and hold the drawer front securely in place, leaving your hands free to fine-tune positioning and drive mounting screws. Threaded rods with easy-to-grip knobs on one end and nylon-capped pads on the other provide strong clamping pressure without damaging the drawer front or box. Knob-topped bolts with nylon tips allow precise side-to-side adjustments, and they incorporate a nut that lets you lock in the position for quick, accurate repeatability on additional drawers. The clamps even let you push the drawer box back into the cabinet with the drawer front clamped so you can verify the alignment. So, if you want faster, easier, and more accurate installations, get Rockler's drawer front installation clamps. Just go to your local Rockler store or rockler.com. Rockler Woodworking and Hardware. We help you create with confidence. A router lift is a great upgrade to your router table. Rockler's award-winning Pro Lift is an upgrade to the upgrade, with 2 patent-pending innovations that enable you to change bits faster than ever. The patent-pending snap lock mechanism lets you pop out the durable aluminum insert ring with the push of a button, providing quicker access to your router's collet. You don't need any tools to remove the insert, and there are no screws to keep track of. When you're done changing the bit, the insert ring snaps securely back in place, and you're locked and ready. Under the table, the ProLift's 2-speed gearbox makes adjusting the bit height quicker without sacrificing precision. The patent-pending quick gear dial enables you to raise and lower the bit 4 times faster than a typical router lift, so it's great for coarser adjustments or to bring the bit up to be changed. The fine adjustment dial can be zeroed out, and with the smooth direct drive mechanism and incremental markings, you can sneak up on the precise setting for perfect cuts. And once you're there, the ProLift's patented threaded bushing holds the setting without the need for a separate locking dial, so you can get right to work. The ProLift has a 3/8-inch thick machined aluminum plate, and it's available in 2 sizes to fit Rockler as well as other common router table openings. The aluminum housing is sized to fit 4.2-inch diameter router bodies, like those of Porter Cable's 3¼ horsepower routers, but adapter collars are available separately to fit most other common routers. If you're looking for a router lift that's built to hold up under daily use, check out the award-winning Rockler Pro Lift. Just go to your local Rockler retailer or rockler.com. Rockler Woodworking and Hardware. We help you create with confidence. The Rockler Center Offset Marking Tool lets you take care of 2 tedious tasks with 1 convenient device. The first is drawing a center line on the edge of a board. Just put a common number 2 pencil in the center hole, place the tool on the board, twist it until the posts make contact, and then slide. Just like that, you have a perfectly centered line on boards up to 1½ inches thick. The second job is marking offsets or reveals for jobs like installing moldings. Just flip the tool, butt it against the board, choose the offset, and slide the tool to draw the line. It marks offsets from 1/16 to 1/2 inch from the edge in 1/16 increments. When you're done, you can take advantage of the built-in magnet to store it on a metal surface for easy retrieval next time. The Center Offset Marking Tool, another Rockler innovation to help you create with confidence. European-style hinges are a great way to go when you're mounting cabinet doors. They're concealed for a sleek, clean look, and they offer easy adjustment for perfect door alignment. With Rockler's exclusive line of jigget solutions, they're easy to install too, and the only power tool you need is a handheld drill. On the doors, the Jigget Deluxe hinge drilling system lets you quickly bore precise, perfectly aligned holes for the hinge cups. The jig configures to match your hinge specifications, and the clamp bases slip easily on the edge of your door, elevating the door enough to accommodate Bench Cookie Plus work grippers for no-slip stability. Positioning is as simple as lining up the center marks on the jig with your center lines on the door and tightening down. The spring-loaded drilling guide comes with a stop collar that lets you set the exact drilling depth. The drill guide fits snugly onto the steel template on the clamp base. Then you simply drill, and you end up with precisely positioned, perfectly vertical hinge cup holes of just the right depth. Here's another great thing about the Jigget Deluxe system. If you're mounting hinges in multiple doors of the same size, you only have to set it up once. When you're done with the doors, you need to drill pilot holes in the cabinet for the hinge mounting plates. Rockler offers jiggets to make this operation easy and accurate too. The jigs have a center line that you line up with your marks on the cabinet. A built-in fence guarantees alignment and proper setback. Then you just use the Rockler self-centering bit specified for the jig to drill the holes. All that's left to do is mount the hinge arms to the door and the mounting plates to the cabinet and clip the hinges together. Before you know it, installation is done and you look like a pro. Check out Rockler's Jigget hinge installation jigs for yourself at your local Rockler store or rockler.com. Rockler Woodworking and Hardware. We help you create with confidence. Most of us know that dust collection is important for our health and safety, but we often let it slide when we're working with handheld power tools. It's easy to see why. Every tool seems to have a different size or shape of dust port, and the ports rarely, if ever, fit your dust collection hose. Rockler has a solution to that problem: the Dust-Right Universal Small Port Hose Kit. This award-winning kit is all you need to bring dust collection to virtually any small power tool that has a dust port. The wide compatibility range is possible because of the kit's two innovative connecting ports. They have flexible rubber ends that stretch to fit a range of tool ports, forming a tight seal that doesn't require any jerry-rigging with duct tape or hose clamps. And because of the two sizes, you get both a 1-inch inside diameter port and a 1.5-inch inside diameter port. You have the ability to extend dust collection to the vast majority of handheld power tools on the market, from plunge routers and circular saws to handheld planers and power sanders. Designed for ease of use, both connecting ports are angled, providing hose clearance above the work surface, and both swivel to avoid twisting and allow unhindered movement. The 1.5-inch inside diameter hose is durable but light, and it expands from 3 to 15 feet. It also flexes easily so it won't fight you as you move around while working. The 2.25-inch outside diameter vacuum port swivels for easy mobility and fits standard shop vacuums as well as other Dust-Right accessories such as the dust separator and cord and hose holder. And both connecting ports and the vacuum port reverse thread onto the hose, offering a naturally airtight fit and eliminating the need for hose clamps. Add it all up and you can see why Wood Magazine named the Universal Small Port Hose Kit one of its top 8 innovative tools for 2015. To get one for your shop, just go to your local Rockler store or rockler.com. Rockler Woodworking and Hardware. We help you create with confidence.